Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here with another altered card. This is a playing card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations, and I'll have her channel down below. Um, so this week I'm doing a playing card, obviously, as you can see. I stressed or sanded the entire card. I love to do that to my playing cards because it does have like a shiny finish to it, or a glossy finish to it. I layered some different types of papers, some book pages in the background, some tape that I had left over. This was something that I thought was kind of cute. It says, "To the world, you may be just one person, but to one person, you may be the world." I really liked that. And then I added some black floral trim. And then this is a stamp set that I got off of Amazon, and it's these tickets, and I stamped them and I embossed them with black. Look at this one. This one's really, it's kind of like double stamped. But I was like, oh, that's okay. I can cover that up, or, use it for something else. And then I also stamped them on regular paper, um, with just regular ink. So I do like how these turned out a lot. Um, so anyway, I have that in my stash that I can use. And that's it. That is my altered playing card. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.